The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
This has gone too far. I don't know what I'm doing.
Very well, honey.
Go ahead, honey.
I'm not even drunk.
You're not?
I gotta drive at some point.
Oh, you're not?
No, this is embarrassingly me.
Yeah, it is you. It makes sense. Can you film a drag video with us tonight?
I have to leave in probably about 30 tops.
Okay, we're gonna film it right now.
We can film it right now, bitch.
I can't do makeup and shit like that
It's
right
fine.
It's fine.
That's exactly the whole video.
We will do it for you.
Imagine being
now. Oh
a
no,
viral.
I mean like I don't.
Really want a whole bunch of makeup.
It's okay, we have makeup removers.
What do you think?
Flip here. Flip here. Do it. Yes! You gotta say that.
For the clown now, click.
I feel like that's somebody that.
Do you feel like Miss Vanjie?
I don't know who that is
Just
or
say
what that feels like. I feel scared. I feel like I'm straight out of a Marilyn Manson video right now.
Marilyn Manson. I was gonna ask you to say, waiting for tonight. Oh, that you would point to the audience, that you would be here in my ears. Up top, waiting for tonight. Let it go. Oh, point. I dreamed of this love for so long. Up. Come on, honey. Come on,
I
up.
think we were good.
Waiting for two. Let it go. Slow down. Slow. Oh, slow. Oh, right to your bosom. Waiting for. Lift your mouth. Up. Oh, outside. Oh, and cut. Thank you. You were great.
I was watching myself do that. That's good. I should do this.
Thank you.
I think I have makeup in my mouth.
Okay.
Like this.
So to
Huh?
finish.
I don't want to do that with this on.
No, with your finger. With your own finger. It stops you stick getting on your teeth.
The last thing I want is a picture of that.
Guys, do it quick. Do it quick.
You're gonna need
No, I won't.
There we are. We're blocking you. Perfect.
That was so long.
That was fair.
That was pretty intense. That was pretty intense.
trying to get all of it gone
Sparrow,
quickly.
Yeah, it's Sparrow.
Okay, that was
Wait,
really
wait,
weak.
wait.
You say
You
it
should
first.
say
No,
it.
you say it.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself.
How the hell do you live?
Okay, wait. No.
You have to do it.
Wait.
How the hell do you live?
Go.
Okay, no. Me and you should say it.
Right.
That was a
If you
skill
can't
in
laugh at
itself
yourself.
right
Thank you
there.
very much.
No, I'm just joking. I can wipe my
I don't want to
face.
hurt you as you wipe your face. Here.
Ugh. Makeup everywhere. Ugh. Alright, it'll be
Get that
like.
glue off.
Look up quickly. Or not. I don't. There's so much green.
You missed it.
Y'all
Thank
missed
God you missed
You guys missed it, but you can watch it.
No, you
Did we? We missed it?
I ate like 9 pieces of pizza, so don't let me eat anymore.
But Tommy
I
had
don't know who made
like
it, but they were
makeup
actually
all
really
over.
Try your
him.
eyes closed.
I had lots on me and I looked like something out of your worst nightmare, Pete.
I could rewind on this camera.
Beautiful.
I looked like a Joker with long hair
That's true.
mixed with Marilyn Manson.
This is what I had.
That's scary.
Why
Marilyn
does this
Manson
lipstick
made a career
look
out of
like?
This is true.
You smeared it, Maria.
Right?
Tommy, I feel like Tommy, you need to go. You need to do it with a fresh cloth.
Okay, I need a fresh cloth. Fresh
Just
cloth.
like
Hey,
rub
do you
it.
need a fresh cloth?
fresh cloth.
It says citrus.
Any better?
I like it. It smells like air freshener.
Is it really?
Is it?
Shit.
Yeah.
Fresh cloth. Fresh
Look at your lashes though. Look at that one. It's really erect.
Okay, you need to look
What?
up. Look up quickly.
Is it cast or is
Maria,
it?
can't you say like
Here, use it. Y'all.
You have green.
Close
You
your
have
eyes.
green stuff. You have
Close
green
your eyes.
stuff.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
It's just green stuff. You still need to wipe your whole face with the fucking fresh cloth.
Looks
Here.
great.
Still?
Yes, because you have green all over the.
Makeup is not easy.
It's not. Welcome to our
You
world.
get like
That's not what you guys
Thank you,
said
Pete.
20 minutes ago.
It only took 10 minutes to do that.
new cover.
It's amazing.